Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So you need to know how to jumpstart your GMC Acadia. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open up your driver's side door, and then down here under the dash, you're gonna see this little lever right here that has a picture of a car on it with the hood popped. Go ahead and pull that. That's gonna release your hood, and then come around here to your hood and you'll see it doesn't lift up, right? Because it has a secondary latch. So reach in just above the M and push that latch towards the driver's side and then lift up. This is that secondary latch I was telling you about here, and that releases the hood there. Now once you got the hood popped, go to the passenger side. You're gonna see this red tab with the plus sign on it. That's your positive connection. Go ahead and lift that up. That's going to expose the metal that you need to connect your cable to. And then here you'll see your ground connection. It says GND for ground. That's where you're going to put your negative, your black connection, your negative, and your red positive connection. Okay, so I'm going to be using the NOCO GB150 box. You can get this on eBay or Amazon or, you know, anywhere online. It's like 300 bucks. This is one of the best jump boxes you can get. You don't need to use a jump box though. If you don't have one, you can use jumper cables. It's just the same process basically. You want to have the car that you're jumping from turned off, just like you want to have your jump box turned off. You want to hook up your red cable first and then hook up your negative cable, your black cable second. One of the good features of this box is it does read the voltage output of the battery, and we see here we've only got 10 volts, so we have a dead battery. We'll go ahead and turn our box on. Just like if you had jumper cables hooked to this, you would hook it all up with the other car turned off, and then you would turn that car on after you get everything hooked up, and then you would start this car. So now let's go start this car. Here are our keys, and we'll just jump in. We'll make sure our foot is on the brake and our shifter is in park. We'll go ahead and insert our key and turn it, and there we go. That is how to successfully jump start our GMC Acadia. Okay, so now what we want to do is turn our box off. If we were using jumper cables, we would turn the other vehicle off, and then we would disconnect the cables, and then we would disconnect the cables from this car. Okay, and so once we have everything turned off and we can start disconnecting it, we can shut everything down and we'll be good to go. One other thing I want to show you is one of the good features of this NOCO GB150 box is that it will also test your alternator voltage output. You can see here we've got 14.6 volts, so that means that our alternator is good and our battery is bad. So it needs a new battery but not a new alternator. If you don't have a jump box like this that reads the alternator and you're trying to test it, usually if you just disconnect your power supply from the other vehicle or the jump box and your headlights start to fluctuate and flicker and things like that, that'll indicate that your alternator is bad. But if it stays strong and there's no fluctuating in the beam and the light or anything like that, then you should have a good alternator. And other than that, that's pretty much it. That's how to jump start your Buick Acadia. All right, you guys, that's how to jump start your GMC Acadia. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment at the bottom, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.